Welcome to Professional Audiology's YouTube channel. My name's Reese, and today I'm going to talk about convincing loved ones to come in for a hearing test or try hearing aids. Sometimes our loved ones, specifically our parents and grandparents, when we know they have a hearing problem, can be very resistant to the idea of coming in for a hearing test or to try hearing aids. So it's important to remember that sometimes some helpful reminders can go a long way to helping them change their mind. For example, reminding them that hearing loss doesn't only affect the person with the hearing loss, but the whole family. So when you're at a family gathering, if Grandpa's sitting at the sideline and not really talking to anyone, it's very isolating, and not only is he missing out, but the rest of the family is missing out from his company. Reminding one of your elderly family members of some of the sounds they're missing out on, for example, playing with the grandkids and having conversation with the grandkids, is a great way to sort of drive home the impact that hearing loss can have. It can be very isolating, it can be a very lonely place to be if we have a hearing loss and we're not using hearing aids. So there's a lot invested in helping him to hear better. So this is important to remember. Also, it's important to communicate that hearing aids aren't as cumbersome or large as they used to be. They're getting smaller, they look better and better all the time, and they're much more effective at what they do. So there's never been a better time to try hearing aids. There's also certain misconceptions that some people have with hearing aids that are very simple and really prevent people from even thinking about trying them in the first place. For example, a lot of people come to us and are worried about how difficult it is to change batteries. Now, there can be some difficulties that come up when we first try hearing aids, but changing batteries is almost never one of them. It's very simple to do, and so there's things that we need to make sure our loved ones understand that what they might be getting caught up on isn't actually very important in the long run. One last point that's important to remember is that if we have a loved one who's had a hearing loss for a long time, it can actually be more and more difficult to make the most out of our hearing and hearing aids when we've had an untreated hearing loss. There's changes that actually happen to our brain with a long-term untreated hearing loss that really get in the way of maintaining a healthy auditory system. Studies have even shown that an more active brain in all capacities can help to delay the onset of dementia in elderly patients. And there's a part of our brain that the only way we can access and exercise that is through the use of sound and amplification. So there's more invested in hearing aid use than just hearing better. If you're still having problems convincing a loved one to come for a hearing test or a consultation, just give us a call, book an appointment, and we're happy to talk to them on the phone or in an appointment, and we can help together. We can work together to convince them of the best action. Thanks for watching us today, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.